Welcome to Mr. Chalk's Revision Tips. In this video, we will look at burning fuels, incomplete combustion, and nitrous oxides. So, fuels are substances that react with oxygen and release useful energy. So, most of the energy is released as heat, but light energy is also released. Complete combustion needs plentiful supply of air so that the elements can fully react with the oxygen. Fuels such as natural gas and petrol contain hydrocarbons. These are compounds of only hydrogen and carbon atoms. And the burning of fossil fuel gives out harmful compounds like sulfur dioxide and nitrous oxides. So we think about how does the burning of coal affect the amount of carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere. Key things to be talking about is that it increases the amount of carbon dioxide, and this is because carbon in coal forms carbon dioxide when it reacts with oxygen. So plenty of air is needed to provide enough oxygen for hydrocarbon fuels to completely burn. So we can see there that when hydrocarbons burn in oxygen, they produce carbon dioxide and water. If we look at this very quick experiment setup, this demonstrates the products that we produce via combustion. So at stage 1, so the fuel is burning, so the hydrocarbon in it is reacting with oxygen from the air. The gases produced are drawn up through a series of glass tubes. The ice bath cools down the water vapour that's being produced, so you end up with liquid water, and that causes the cobalt chloride paper to change colour. So the cobalt chloride paper turns blue in the presence of water. And finally, carbon dioxide is drawn through lime water. So if carbon dioxide is present, that turns the lime water a milky white colour. Incomplete combustion occurs when the supply of air or oxygen is poor. So water is still produced, but carbon monoxide is produced instead of carbon dioxide. So we would end up with the hydrocarbon plus oxygen would form carbon monoxide, probably some solid carbon, and water. Carbon monoxide is a poisonous gas, which is one of the reasons why complete combustion is preferred to incomplete combustion. Carbon monoxide is absorbed in the lungs and binds to hemoglobin in the red blood cells, which stops them or prevents them from being able to carry oxygen. When fuels are burnt in vehicle engines at high temperatures, they can often cause nitrous oxides to be produced. Right? The more common one is nitrous monoxide. So, nitrogen plus oxygen will go and form nitrogen monoxide, but it can also go and further react with oxygen to form nitrous dioxide. So this is when nitrogen monoxide is released from the vehicle exhaust system. It combines with oxygen from the air and forms nitrogen dioxide. So nitrogen dioxide is one of the gases that cause acid rain. So the table below shows the percentages of some of the gases in exhaust from petrol engine. If we think about what percentage of gases make up other gases, what is the name of the compound that makes up most of the other gases, give a reason why sulfur dioxide is produced in petrol engines, and say how nitrogen oxides are produced. The percentage that's other gases must be 15%. Water vapour or steam is also produced. Sulfur dioxide is produced because petrol contains sulfur compounds which react with oxygen. And because nitrogen and oxygen in the air react at a high temperature, that is why nitrogen oxides form.
Thanks for watching.